Again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Nanu. This time we talk about BTS roundup, Jungkook privacy breach, Suga birthday absence to new group project announcement, idol most awaited reunion, and BTS roundup despite the challenges posted by their ongoing military enlistment. The unstoppable force that is BTS continues to reign supreme across the globe. The K-pop idol have a and the knack for staying in the headline, and recent events have been no exception. One of the most talked about the incident has been the unfortunate breach of Jungkook privacy, which has sparked the widespread concern among fans and followers. Additionally, the army has been abuzz with the discussion about the Suga's noticeable absence on his birthday, leaving many to wonder about his whereabouts and the M dates. This development bite has dropped a major announcement that has sent excitement level sharing and the unveiling of BTS upcoming projects set to the release in March and April. With this, BTS remain as unstoppable force, captivating fans and making headline with their every move. Here is a quick roundup of latest news surrounding the BTS member V, Jungkook, Jimin, J-Hope, Jin, and the RM and Suga. And the relationship between the K-pop idols and their fan is built on mutual dedication, passion, and devotion, making it incredibly meaningful and precious. However, some obsessive fan known as the Sassage after blurs the lines between the following and striking. A recent incident involving a fan of Jungkook highlighted that issue. The fan who shared her encounter on Instagram visited Jungkook's Seoul residence, set a letter under his door, and posted outside. In her post, she expressed her desire for Jungkook to read her story and understand the impact he has had on her life, writing, "I just wanna say the way he saves my life, I hope he will read my story." And BTS Suga birthday absence. BTS fan around the world with the excitement as they celebrate Suga's 31st birthday today, and the hashtag Happy Suga Day is trending, and fans are actively participating in various projects to mark his special day. Despite Suga's absence in the enlisting in the military, his fans remain dedicated, one enthusiastic, notably the second oldest member of the group, renowned for this powerful rap verses, were recently spotted in a Sokvita talk show appearance, and the living fan eagerly awaiting further update on his warboard and the well-being. And I Miss You Yoongi and the BTS group project announcement. BTS fan, also known as ARMY, are eagerly anticipating the group for a full comeback scheduled for June. In the meantime, their agency has shared exciting update on the group upcoming project. Before the official reunion, BTS will release two new projects, building anticipation among fans. The agency teased the comeback on ex-official social media accounts, sparking enthusiasm among the army. The two projects include BTS 7 Movement and Run BTS Poly Highlight, and the package new episode of BTS and followed by BTS Poly Highlight from April 7 to May 3 to prepare fan. Agency shared a poster with pre-order and release link, generating buzz and excitement among the army. And BTS J-Hope solo tour. BTS member J-Hope is set to make history with his highly anticipated solo tour Hope on the stage, making a significant milestone in his career as solo artist. The tour kicked off in Seoul on February 28, 2025, and the K-pop idol was subsequently traveled to multiple countries across the globe, including key destinations in North America and Asia. BTS top March 2025 boy group brand reputation ranking. BTS continue to defy expectation and solidify their position in the annal and the of history, achieving the unprecedented success despite the majority of their members currently serving in the military. In a testament to their enduring popularity and influence, BTS has once again secured the top spot of Korea Corporate Reputation Research Institute brand reputation ranking for the March 2025, underscoring their unwavering dominance in the entertainment industry. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.